Hello guys, welcome back. So we continue with our third question. Our third question here in differentiating using the first principle in the previous video, we had our f of x is equals to the square root of x. Yeah, we had something like this. Then now we differentiate using the general rule. The general rule says that we have dy dx is equals to a n x raised to power n minus 1. So what do we do to this one? We rewrite it in the index form. So we have x raised to power half. Next step, we subtract, you multiply the half times the base, so it will be 1 over 2x raised to power, what is half minus 1? That will be negative half. You have this one, this is the base, this is the bar, this is the negative, so the negative, it will be 1 over, that's the bar. So that same bar you multiply with the coefficient. Now here there is a coefficient, so you have to deal with this coefficient. So when you have that bar, you multiply with the coefficient. So what is 1 times 1 over 2, that's 1 over 2, so you rewrite it here 1 over 2, then with this one as a bar, because the bar, it was being written as in 1 over. So now the same one you multiply with this one with the coefficient here, which is this one, 1 over 2, and you bring your bar here. Then you drop your x, because this negative, it is the one which is this part here. So x raised to power 1 over 2. I hope you can understand where the negative has gone. So you have this one now. This is the main division. So it will be 1 over 2. You divide by x raised to power 1 over 2. So we use simple math here so that everyone understands. So it will be 1 over 2. You multiply this one, it is the whole number, so it has the denominator of 1. So you reciprocate. So it will be 1 over x raised to power 1 over 2. This stage, you multiply direct. 1 times 1, that's 1 over, what is 2 times x raised to power 2? That's 2x raised to power 1 over 2. So this, you can rewrite it as the square root of x. So your final answer, you have dy dx here is equals to 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 2 the square root of x. This becomes your final answer. So if you check your previous video, you're going to find that this was the answer that we calculated as well. So dy dx is equals to 1 over 2 the square root of x. So we are done with using the general rule to differentiation using the general rule or the general formula. So the next lecture, it's going to be based on differentiation using the product rule. Thank you.